Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to knit. I am knitting this Bolera shrug or cardigan. Depends on how long you knit. If you knit long, it's a cardigan. If you knit short, it's like a crop shrug or a Bolera it's called. And I am knitting the sleeves. As you know, no one likes to sew. Knitters, crocheters, I am sure everyone hates to sew. So what I did is, first I have knit the sleeves, and I'm knitting the second sleeve. So this is the sleeve. And if you are asking about this yarn, oh, I fell in love with this yarn. I don't know, I saw this on yarnparadise.com. They sent me a bag all these years later, and here's their link. And I bought 2 bags of this. They're on sale. And it's turning out, as you can see, it has that shine. It has that silver touch. It's very shiny. It's like a thread. It's not like a yarn. Just to let you know, it does not stretch at all. So here's the ball. If you're interested, go and check it out. It's made in Turkey for the people who are interested. Okay, and here are some needle size you need to knit. And there's 50 gram, about 95 meter. So it's 75 acrylic, and then blah blah blah. So I fell in love with this yarn, so I'm knitting myself. Hopefully, if I don't change my mind. Anyways, so I thought to myself, because I wanted to knit this pearl texture to give that texture on the cardigan. Both sides are same, like it's versatile. So when I'm using the top-down technique, I have lots of tutorials. Just go and check it out. Check my videos. I have so many tutorials on how to knit top down. So what I did is I just did 2 sides purl. Well, knit. When you knit, you get this purl look, right? So when you're doing it around, you can't do that. You can't knit 2 sides. And then what becomes, this becomes purl, and this becomes Gardier, I forget the names. Like it becomes this stitch, knit stitch, like and then it doesn't look like this way. So I thought to myself, I'm sure lots of people don't know this, so I didn't know, because no one knits it around, right? If you're knitting a socks, that's different, but so I'll show you how to do this. The first row, what I do is, I figured it out by myself. No one taught me. Like, I'm 50, learn something every day. So I just wanted to share you this knowledge that I found out. So one row you do knits yarn on the back, just like this, yarn on the back. I was just ending this row. So I thought this would be perfect to share you this. And it gives you that nice texture. I just love the look of this. Okay. And I do my decreases as I go along. It's just knitting a regular sleeve. And if you want to knit, and I would recommend for new learners to start knitting top down, because this is the easiest way to learn how to knit sweaters, cardigans, top down. Okay, so I did my last, and this is where I change. As you can see, these are all knits, and that gives that regular 2 side, when you knit front or back, or when you do the purl yarn on the front, this is how it gives that look. So you do 1 row knit, 1 row purl, and then it gives you the same effect when you do the two sides knit, or if you do the two sides purl effect. So I hope this short information helped you. If you want to knit something around and you don't know how, you knit one row you knit, one row you purl to give that same effect. And I just think this is perfect. I can wear this anywhere. That's why I like this color. And I can wear this everywhere. When I finish it, I will put a picture at the beginning when you see this tutorial, me wearing it. And just to show you how to knit, yarn on the front, you knit one row knit and one row purl. So I hope this information helped you. It's a short tutorial just to give you an idea on how to knit around the purl. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Share my tutorials with your friends and family. If you're in groups, I would love you to share it. This way people can find my tutorials. And I try to do different one-of-a-kind tutorials just to give an idea, to help, hints, information. And if you have watched this tutorial, please put a heart on below on the comments so I will see that you watched it. And I love to see from people from all over the world. I know from Canada people are watching, from the United States people are watching. I found out Southern America, like Brazil, Argentina, and then Europe, I see people watching, and it makes me happy to see people from all over the world speaking different languages who watches my tutorials. Again, thank you very much for watching, and happy knitting!